Hello, curious minds. Did you know there's a place in the universe that's just 1 degree above absolute zero? Yep, colder than deep space itself. Let's dive in. When we think of space, we often imagine it as freezing cold. And that's absolutely true. Because it's mostly a vacuum, with so few particles around, there's almost no way to transfer heat. Unlike Earth, space has no air, no atmosphere, and almost nothing to absorb or hold warmth. Heat can only move through radiation, like sunlight. But in the vast emptiness between stars, that energy is spread way too thin to make a difference. That's why the temperature settles at around 2.7 Kelvin, minus 270.45 degrees Celsius, or minus 454.8 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to a faint glow left over from the Big Bang, called the cosmic microwave background. It gently warms space, but just barely. This temperature is just a tiny fraction above absolute zero, the coldest possible temperature where all atomic motion stops. So you'd think nothing could get colder than that, right? Well, almost nothing. Say hello to one of the most mysterious and beautiful objects in our galaxy, the Boomerang Nebula. It lies about 5,000 light-years away from Earth, in the Centaurus constellation, and was first discovered in the 1980s. This nebula was formed by a dying red giant star that's blowing off its outer layers of gas as it nears the end of its life. As these gases expand, they create a glowing cloud, like a cosmic smoke ring drifting through space. Early telescope images gave it a curved, symmetric shape, almost like a boomerang in flight. And that's how it got its name. It's a brief, but stunning phase in a star's life, a kind of farewell. So why do we talk about this nebula? Well, because it's colder than deep space. But why? So, how can anything be colder than space itself? Deep space sits at around 2.7 Kelvin, as we mentioned earlier. But the Boomerang Nebula? It's been measured at just 1 Kelvin. That's minus 272.15 degrees Celsius, or minus 457.9 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes it the coldest naturally occurring place in the known universe. But how is that even possible? The secret is in the way the dying star at the center is losing its gas. It's ejecting that gas extremely fast, over 160 kilometers per second, or about 100 miles per second. And when gas expands that quickly into empty space, it cools down dramatically. This is known as adiabatic cooling. It's the same reason why a spray deodorant feels cold when it hits your skin. The gas expands and drops in temperature. In the Boomerang Nebula, this effect happens on a cosmic scale. There's no atmosphere, no friction, nothing to stop it. Just cold, expanding gas in deep space. The result? A natural refrigerator so powerful it actually drops below the background temperature of the universe. It's a rare moment in a star's life, and eventually, it'll warm back up and evolve into a glowing planetary nebula. For now, the Boomerang Nebula is the coldest place in the universe. But who knows what we'll discover next? The Boomerang Nebula isn't just the coldest place we know. It's also one of the strangest. First off, it's crazy to think a dying star can actually create a natural refrigerator in space. Instead of just fading away, this star is actively chilling its surroundings in a way that's totally unlike anything else we see. Then there's its shape, that ghostly boomerang or hourglass form, caused by jets of gas shooting out in opposite directions. It's like a cosmic sculpture, shaped by powerful forces we're still trying to understand. And the fact that it's colder than the cosmic microwave background means it's breaking the usual rules of space temperature. It's really a reminder that space is always full of surprises, strange, beautiful, and downright cool in every sense of the word. So the coldest known place in the universe isn't some distant galaxy, it's right here in our own Milky Way, quietly defying what we thought was possible. But here's a question. If the coldest place in the universe is created by a dying star, what other cosmic extremes do you think are waiting to be discovered? Let us know in the comments. If you're hungry for more cosmic concepts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep exploring with us. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.